Do you acknowledge that it may affect your reputation as a lawyer by saying what some may consider libelous? Bulok na keso, medyo libelous yata yun, hindi ba?
Oh, it cannot be libelous, Ma'am says, no? Because Bulok na Keso is a play of words on his nickname, which is cheese, no? And hindi ba kabulok-bulok yung ginawa niya about the budget insertion? Ang ano ko kasi dyan, Ma'am says, no, there's already a case filed. And technically, that case should be confidential. He should not really be stating that, no? But because he already made it public, I'll just answer a bit and then not really respond to the case because I haven't read the entire complaint. But if we're talking about the three quote-unquote comments, no, na talagang hina-highlight ni Senator Cheese, which is shameless, bulok na keso, tsaka worst president in Senate history or worst Senate president in history, those are all opinions and they are political opinions. Under the Constitution, political speech is the highest form of freedom of speech. And ito yung gusto ko ding iambag sana, no? Ang lawyers, just because we are lawyers doesn't mean we are stripped of our freedom of speech, especially when making satire or when making sarcastic, pointed comments. So, lahat na lang dry, lahat na lang parang bland yung commentary. Hindi pwede. By the way, ako kasi, mga ladies, hindi ako lawyer lang. Ang aking undergraduate degree is political science. So ever since, even before ako naging lawyer, nagpo-post na ako about my political opinions or commentaries and analysis about the state of things. Mula pa yan sa panahon ni Pinoy, no, nung nagsimula ang Facebook sometime 2008.
Yeah.
I've been consistent in posting my political opinion. So I would like to argue na those kind of statements are not unethical for me as a lawyer because he's only looking at me as a lawyer lang. One, I'm also a Filipino citizen, and second, I'm a political scientist. So those are pointed, kahit pointed siya, entitled ako to pointed commentaries because I just have to describe things as it is. He is the worst Senate president in history. Why is he not the worst Senate president? If you compare all other Senate presidents, sino ang Senate president in history who was popularly embroiled or plagued by controversies? At most, makakompare mo lang sa kanya is Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. But even then, si Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile was commended for handling or how he handled the impeachment trial of Chief Justice Corona. He was able to handle it well in terms of procedure, in terms of gravitas, etc., etc. Na ano lang siya dun sa pork barrel, which is a personal matter. Here, anong issue about the Senate presidency ni Senator Cheese? It was about his handling of the budget. There are legitimate questions about how he handled as Senate President the most corrupt 2025 budget, which is nag-insert siya 142 billion. So imbes na kasuhan niya ako ng disbarment, maybe he should explain, which he did not explain sa privilege speech niya. He should explain the 142 billion budget insertions. 9 billion went to Sorsogon, which is his baluarte or ang hometown ng mga Escuderos. He should explain why he accepted campaign contributions from the donor Lawrence Lubiano ng Center West instead of just saying may iba ding mga politicians na may campaign contractor contributions. Even President BBM and Sara Duterte, sinabi niya people higher than him. Meron daw contractors na campaign donors. Sure, lahat sila may contractor donations, but that will not absolve him. So he should focus on himself. He should also explain why he was alleged to receive 160 million in DPWH kickback from Roberto Bernardo. Never pa in-explain ni Senator Cheese yung statement ni Roberto Bernardo, quote-unquote, alam ko ang galawan nyo sa DPWH. Sabihan mo si Sec Bonoan, babaan ako ng pondo. Senator Cheese Escudero has never explained that. So instead of filing disbarment cases and weaponization of the law against his quote-unquote accusers, na hindi naman niya accusers kasi hindi naman kami yung nag-a-accuse. We are just commentating.
Okay.
If the truth hurts, it's not because of us. It's
Oh,
because of the
all right.
accusing.